when the Prophet asked him, "Oh Ali, where were you? Where were you?" So Ali replied, "I was stuck to the ground." Now this is what you call istidlal. That why was he stuck to the ground? Why was he stuck to the ground? And why did he not go to the Prophet? Because he was concerned with himself. तो वो जमीन के साथ क्यों चिमटा हुआ है? क्योंकि वो अपनी जान की फिक्र कर रहा है मौत के डर से, और तूने खुद कबूल किया कि जो आदमी मौत के डर से वो अपनी जान की फिक्र करे तो काफिर है, तो तेरे उसूलों के मुताबिक तेरा इमाम काफिर है. According to your own, he's a munafiq. I've proven it. Please. Okay.
I gave you 5 more minutes. Please show the text and translate it accurately, please.
Okay, let me ask you. Please translate the word laziqtu bil ard. Translate it.
I held to the ground. I held my ground. I held the land of Uhud. I held my ground.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I held to the ground. I was stuck to the ground.
I held my ground. I held the ground.
It doesn't mean that. No. No, that's sabata yasbutu. That's no. Allah yari naughty. Allah yari, you don't be naughty. Allah yari.
Show me. Okay, you show the text.
225. He's Marishan.
Okay, show me.
नहीं, तेरा इमाम चिमटा हुआ था जमीन के साथ, और तूने कहा कि जो जान की खौफ करे वो मुनाफिक है. तो जो आदमी चिमटा हुआ हो, कोई और वजह हो ही नहीं सकती सिवाय ये कि वो अपनी जान की फिक्र. व ताइफतुन कद अहम्मतुम, एक ताइफा था मुनाफिकों का, अपनी जान की फिक्र कर रहा था. तेरा इमाम लेटा हुआ था, तेरी किताबों तेरे उसूलों के मुताबिक लेटा हुआ था, अपनी जान की फिक्र कर रहा था. मुनाफिक है. यज़ुन्नून बिल्लाहि गैरल हक़्क़ि ज़न्नल जाहिलिया. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन, तेरे अपने उसूलों के मुताबिक तेरा इमाम वो अल्लाह के साथ सूई ज़न करने वाला था. युख्फून फी अंफुसिहिम मा ला युब्दून लक, वो अंदर मुसलमानों की नफरत और निफाक छुपा रहा था. हाय लज़िक़तु बिल अर्द, मैंने दिखा दिया है लज़िक़तु बिल अर्द. नाउ अल्लाह यारी, he was stuck to the ground. Look, listen to me. Listen. He wants to hide his face.
No, I just want to bring it up.
He wants to hide his face. Acha, listen.
I want to bring a tafsir.
If you're concerned with yourself, you're a munafiq. You're a kafir. This is what you said. You said you're a liar. So now tell me about your own imam. अपने इमाम की बताना. अपना इमाम जमीन पर लेटा हुआ है. रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के दांत मुबारक शहीद हो चुके हैं. रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का खून लहू मुबारक निकल रहा है. अली ऐन कुंता, तू कहां था? या रसूलुल्लाह, मैं चिमटा हुआ था जमीन के साथ. बोलना. Bull! Speak now.
I'll prove to you now, since you changed the topic. Oh, he converted. He changed his religion. And he was, Sahaba knew this, and that's why they called him a Jew.
Right? Yazid, they were saying to Yazid, please sell me.
What I was presenting was always relevant.
Yazid, please sell me.
Good luck.
Your imams were saying to Yazid, please sell me. He's gone. Alhamdulillah. Jazakumullah, my brothers. Alhamdulillah.